Hello friends and colleagues. With Christmas just around the corner and the New Year holiday approaching, there is still some time to catch up on the latest industry updates, starting with Integrated Systems Europe 2026.
Integrated Systems Europe has announced that Connected Classroom, powered by Logitech, is back for its second year at ISE 2026. This engaging 120 square meters immersive showcase in Hall 2 features 4 interactive zones, each tailored to different educational needs. At ISE 2026, the Connected Classroom will demonstrate how integrated AV and collaboration technologies directly benefit both teachers and students. Visitors will be able to experience hands-on solutions, such as Logitech's Rally Camera Streamline Kit and Reach for video-enabled learning, Mevo for student content creation, and MX Inc. for immersive AR/VR exploration. With collaborative furniture, interactive displays, and streaming tools, the Connected Classroom offers a clear vision of how technology can make learning more dynamic, inclusive, and effective. To register for Integrated Systems Europe 2026, follow the QR code displayed on your screen.
PlexusAV, the Pro AV division of Suncor, will unveil its new HD-based T3.0 solutions at ISE 2026, expanding its open standard, human-focused AV over IP ecosystem. The products include the PAVN3 HDBT IPMX gateway transceiver and the PAVN WP301H HD-based T3.0 wall plate, designed to simplify integration and enhance performance in modern AV networks. The transceiver is capable of both encoding and decoding video and audio over IPMX open standards, using JPEG-XS, H.264, and H.265 codecs for high-quality video across modern AV networks. The wall plate, available in multiple regional form factors, features dual HDMI and USB-C inputs with auto-switching and up to 60-watt USB-C charging, providing a simple, intuitive interface for end users.
The National Association of Broadcasters has announced that registration for NAB Show 2026 in Las Vegas is now officially open. Attendees can take advantage of early registration, which offers complimentary access to the show floor. Every year, the entire content ecosystem gathers in Las Vegas to explore the ideas, tools, and technologies rewriting the rules of creation, distribution, and monetization. This April, NAB Show returns with even more to discover, from sports and AI to streaming, cloud workflows, and the rapidly expanding creator economy. This is where the next era comes into focus. A promotional offer is available using code EM02, providing a free show floor pass and 10% off a premium conference pass or all-access pass. Offer expires January 31st, 2026. Registration details are available via the QR code displayed on your screen.
Riedel Communications provided a fully integrated communications and commentary solution for the 15th National Games of China, supporting 56 competition venues and 4 international broadcast centers across Guangdong, Hong Kong, and Macau. Over the 30-day event, the system operated without interruption, enabling seamless coordination for 56 broadcasting teams and 39 ultra-high-definition productions. Held from November 9th to 21st, the Games brought together elite athletes from provinces, municipalities, and special administrative regions to compete in 34 sports, including athletics, swimming, basketball, cycling, and gymnastics. The National Games introduced an innovative 1 main and 3 branch IBC's layout, with Guangzhou serving as the main signal hub linking 3 regional subcenters in Shenzhen, Hong Kong, and Macau. To meet the demands of this distributed architecture, Riedel deployed its Artist Intercom platform as the backbone of the network. An Artist 1024 matrix at the Guangzhou IBC supported over 200 channels, including AES 67 and ST211030 IP transmission and MADI signal integration, while an Artist 128 handled dedicated commentary channels. Both matrices were linked via cascaded fiber connections, creating a redundant configuration for uninterrupted performance. Riedel also provided 13 CCP 1116 commentary panels for the opening and closing ceremonies and 13 major competitions.
M-Cube has installed a curved LED display comprising 148 million pixels at the world's longest LED gallery. The regeneration of Galleria Bombi, which opened in the Italian town of Gorizia on December 16th, has transformed a simple pedestrian passage into an immersive and multisensory digital art experience known as DAG. The construction of the 100 by 9.25 meter LED display was undertaken by Video Mobile, M-Cube's division specializing in LED solutions. The display features a 2.5 millimeters pixel pitch and a resolution of 40,000 by 3,700 pixels to create UHD imagery that envelopes visitors. The system features 3,700 LED cabinets, 14,800 boards with nano coating and GOB treatment, 34 fiber converters, 267 Cat6 signal cables, 11,000 meters of Cat6 network cabling, and 6,000 meters of optical fiber. The infrastructure is managed by 5 professional workstations and 24K video signals.
Dear friends and colleagues, if you'd like your news to be featured in briefly, please reach out to us in the comments. Let's create news together.